India versus Bangladesh in women's cricket.
He will be flipping the coin. Heads is the call. And it is a head. And you've decided to?
We're going to bat first.
As Harmanpreet Kaur mentioned at the toss, it's going to be a debut for Sajeevan Sajana. Fariha Trishna, the left arm pacer, is in the playing 11, as is Marufa Akhtar. They had gotten out of the Australia T20I series, which they had lost. The sun is gradually starting to peek out. These two opening batters strung together a 96-run opening stand.
To the viewers, welcome to this first T20 match between Bangladesh and
in the domestic season.
And steers it down to third man for 4. Beautiful shot there through mid wicket for 4. Beautiful shot, making room once again, and through the square leg boundary for 4. And Shriti Mandana is bowled there, absolutely outplayed by the bowler.
Has to depart for a runner ball 9.
Goes big on that occasion and crosses the fence.
Full lofted shot into the gap. And will go for a boundary. Go straight again. There is the fielder. Away from her. One bounce for 4. Back of a length. Straight pull. Fielder coming underneath it. Drops it. Spills it. Flighted. Swept. That sounded like a 4.
For Yastika, give no room. 4 runs for.
Bit of air. In the air. Up and away from that fielder.
Rabia Khan into the attack and skied towards the cover fielder, and she will be eventually became a little sedate. Showcase in this series. This time around, it's Harmanpreet Kaur's turn to get a boundary.
It's all about timing and just the way the batters are batting. Harmanpreet Kaur on that account.
Deliver in both departments. For now, the delivering is being done by the India captain.
Fariha Trishna bowls a full toss. Times it away. Oh, loud appeal given. She goes for 30 of 22. Business as usual in the air, and there's the breakthrough. Rabia gets it. Yastika Bhatia, she goes for 36 of 29. Very well played. In the slot, this time it sounded sweet.
Shapes and forms right now.
Yes, and she's justifying her selection and
Her last ball, first ball heroics, but right now it is Richa Ghosh who's letting the bat do the talking. Will be quite pleased with this, but not with that effort. Khan's name, another wicket to her tally. With some hitting like that from Richa Ghosh, they can surely
made sense if she had come to stem the run flow. Hits it big and safely into the hands of the fielder at long on. So
in all sides. This is the center wicket of the innings coming up. Shuffled across the off stump, has skied it, and another catch it with from teenager Marufa Akhtar. 46 to win the first game of this 5 T20I series.
Opening the batting for Bangladesh. A full-length delivery, nicely timed, flicked away. Interesting. Oh, a bit of movement inwards. Was there any? Oh, given! Given. She's gone for 4 of 3. Superb shot. Cracking stroke by Murshida. Good-looking stroke. Flamboyance.
Bold.
Lost her middle and off. She goes for
On the development of the game amongst the women.
a great pull shot there.
And in keeping pace with that, I think the cricket board has also. That's a loud appeal and it's out.
As the left hand.
Oh, that's very close and given.
Faima Khatun, 1 run, 3 balls.
Short. Crunched. Through mid-wicket. Hit it towards the onside. Now she swept it late.
Who have delivered unplayable deliveries. That's a magnificent shot by.
Just building on throughout the tournament. Was played in front of square and timed it nicely. Will get 4. The Bangladesh captain.
Coach Amol Mazumdar. So she's obviously substituting for somebody.
Again, running the first one hard. Oh, okay. Sort of a gift there. What a stroke. Inside out, went to the pitch of the ball and manufactured that shot. Did Nigar Sultana Jyoti.
No menace in this wicket. Fantastic shot there over the head of the bowler. Misfielding once again, but on the edge of the rope. Nigar Sultana, well played. She's really sweated it out and has played a very responsible innings from where the other batters are. I spoke on the onside.
Coming down, and also, of course, is the.
It had to come. It had to end that way. I thought.
Captain, that's what I said. Captain leading from the front, not far, much far.
Players pretty heavy at the Indian dugout. But well played, Bangladesh. I thought India was the better side.
Bangladesh score 101. We can see the scoreboard here. Mushida Khatun score 13. Dilar Akhtar 4. Sawana Mustari 6 runs.
3 for 18. Did the damage.